Hey everyone, welcome on Mobile Munch. Today, we're getting a first look at the Xiaomi 14 Civi, a phone that promises to be a master of cinematic selfies and a powerful contender in the market. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Stunning display. The Xiaomi 14 Civi boasts a gorgeous 6.55-inch LTPO AMOLED display with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. This display delivers incredible visuals, perfect for watching videos, gaming, and browsing the web. Whether you are scrolling through social media or reading an ebook, the 120Hz refresh rate ensures a fluid and responsive experience. The display also gets incredibly bright at 3000 nits, making it easy to view content outdoors on a sunny day. Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protects the display from scratches and nicks. Master your photography game with triple rear cameras and dual selfie powerhouse. Xiaomi is placing a big emphasis on the camera experience with the 14 Civi. The rear camera system features a triple sensor setup with Leica lenses. The 50MP main sensor with OIS, optical image stabilization, captures sharp and detailed photos in all lighting conditions. A secondary 50MP telephoto lens offers 2x optical zoom for getting closer to the action, while a 12-megapixel ultra-wide sensor lets you capture expansive landscapes and group shots. But the real stars of the show might be the dual front-facing cameras. Both the 32-megapixel main sensor and the 32-megapixel ultra-wide sensor ensure you capture high-quality selfies and flawless group selfies, making this phone a dream for social media enthusiasts. Powerful performance and blazing fast charging. The Xiaomi 14 Civi is powered by the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, backed by up to 12GB of RAM. This combination delivers smooth performance for everyday tasks, multitasking, and even some light gaming. With 256GB or 512GB of UFS 4.0 storage, you have plenty of space for your apps, photos, and videos, although there's no option for expandable storage via microSD card. A 4700 mAh battery should provide enough power to last you through a full day on a single charge with moderate usage. And when you do need to top up, the 67W charging technology gets you back up and running in a flash. Xiaomi claims the phone can reach 100% charge in just 40 minutes. A stylish design with premium materials. The Xiaomi 14 Civi comes in a stylish design with a choice of a glass back or a more eco-friendly silicone polymer back with a leather feel, both framed by a sturdy aluminum frame. This phone is also lightweight and thin, making it comfortable to hold for extended periods. While some users might miss the convenience of a 3.5mm headphone jack, the phone does offer high-resolution audio support and stereo speakers for an immersive listening experience. An exciting new option for selfie lovers. The Xiaomi 14 Civi appears to be a compelling option for users who prioritize a fantastic selfie experience, a beautiful display, and powerful performance. The camera system, with its dual front-facing cameras and Leica lenses on the back, is sure to impress social media enthusiasts and casual photographers alike. The phone also boasts a powerful processor, fast charging, and a stylish design. However, the lack of expandable storage and a slightly older USB Type-C 2.0 port might be drawbacks for some users. And with a price tag around €480 or 43,000 rupees, the Xiaomi 14 Civi is definitely a phone to keep an eye on. So, that's our look at the Xiaomi 14 Civi. Are you a selfie aficionado? What features are most important to you in a mid-range phone? Let me know in the comments below what you think of the Xiaomi 14 Civi. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Mobile Munch for more tech reviews and upcoming gadget news.